Hi guys, it's Sunday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Sports Center kasi a-attend tayo ng graduation ng mga pamangkin ko. So, obviously, magiging parent and a day tayo. So, actually guys, yung papa niya is hindi makaka-uwi kasi nga nasa Manila siya, which is may kuya. Kasi nga sobrang taas talaga ng expense today. So, sobrang taas talaga ng oil is tumaas na din yung pamasahe. So, no choice yung kuya ko to make a way na maka-attend siya ng graduation, which is nag-via call na lang kami. So, yung mama niya naman is sa attend ng graduation ng mga kapatid niya dun sa elementary school. So, talagang wala siyang kasama today. So, magiging parent and a day tayo. So, actually, sobrang grateful ko naman kasi nga andito naman ako para sa kanya. And I am so proud and happy na nakagraduate na siya sa high school. And I'm sure na sobrang proud yung parents niya para sa kanya. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and maya-maya lang is mag-start na din yung commencement. So, dyan lang muna kayo guys.
Maniyo aragway, pagpasalamat kay Ginpakupya ka, pagpasalamat and memories nga iyo nabubos. Last, students, can you please find your parents? Please give them a big hug. Sige. Kitabutan mo naman, bisa kitabutan kulong. Give them a big hug. Go. Andiri kumangko, waray diploma. Magpasalamat ka.
Proud na proud mo parents.
Niyan tayo makapagpasalamat ka. Niyan tayo magpasalamat ka.
Ay, ginmimingaw. Gusto pala yung mag-cry. Nalalugod. Diyan, congrats!
Waray diploma, waray form 137. Okay, sige, students.
Balik na diyan. Tinangis na.
Maramang nag-iisip na maamon kay nagtanis ka, makuliwan nagpakaluwag, narumba na yung mga make-up.
Words of wisdom as guest speaker during the 10th graduation ceremonies of Calbayog City National High School, given this 29th day of March 2026 at Calbayog City Sports Center, Calbayog City, Samar. Eunice B. with honors. Rosales Marcia Catrice Stephanie A. with honors. Mulasa Shannon A. with honors.
We, the 2026 graduates of Calbayog City National High School Senior High School Department,
Munting batang inaangkat, inaalay ang aking tatay.
Walang sapat na salita, walang tapulis na Ngayon matanda ng langit. Ako naman ngayon ang dapat mag-alaga. Ngayon ay alalayan at akakaintindi. Pag lumuluha ay patatahanin. Babantayan kung may sakit, dadampihan ang nonakali. At kapag gabi ay malamig, iyayakapin din ng mahigpit. Ipapanalangin at kukumutan ng pag-ibig. Walang katumbas niyong pag-ibig. Aking mga anak ay akaintindi. Pag lumuluha ay patatahanin.
Oh God! Panangis
Allegiance and loyalty to the Calbayog City National High School Alumni Association. Sincerely promise to abide by its constitutions and bylaws, to live true to her spirit of united action and earnest service, to cooperate in every possible way, to give my best to her, and to cherish the memory of Calbayog City National High School forever.
26. By virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, the rules of the Department of Education, and the Division of Calbayog City, I now declare the 21st commencement exercises of Calbayog City National High School for school year 2025-2026 officially closed.
So, anyway guys, tapos na yung commencement and I will be cherish this moment forever. And I am so proud sa mga pamangkin ko kasi nga graduate din yung isa kong pamangkin, si Joshua and then si Gian of course. And sobrang proud na proud talaga ako as tita. So, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys!